It's me again about the story that I got ignored the whole time because I was molested as a child. They showed me around like a little circus monkey in this foster home. And I found today an article, I've seen it before on Phoenix, it's a documentary station, that Hagenbeck Zoo around 1900, they put Native Americans and black Africans there on their show. They were together there with the animals. To the Germans at around 1900, black people were animals or something like it. But I don't understand in any way that the white people in the beginning thought we were monkeys and stuff like this. We wasn't real human beings, but then they raped the black females. So these racists were fucking animals? This is my conclusion. If a black person is something similar to a monkey and a white Christian rapes a black woman, what he calls a half monkey, he is fucking animals. Can you believe it? How perverted these people are. It wasn't only in Germany, it is around the whole world, and this happened in the United States too. The black people wasn't real people to them, but they were raping the women, so they were animal fuckers. That's how perverted people are. It doesn't matter from what country they come. But I'm from Germany and I'm from Frankfurt, so I have to take care of this business. But at 1900 in Hamburg at the Hagenbeck Zoo, the people, the native Indians and the black Americans were showed like animals there in the zoo. And these people, the grandmother or the mother of the foster mother of mine, she was born in 1896 and something like this. So she was living all the time in this time, and black people still were animals, So she raised my foster mother, and she was born in 1932. Her husband was a high school teacher at this time, so they must have collaborated with the Nazis, Otherwise he couldn't be a teacher at this time, Otherwise he would have been transported to a Konzentrationslager too. And this woman raised me. She was raised in the Nazi time, and they still thought I was a little circus monkey, Because, after the war, boom, it doesn't go away. The blacks couldn't even vote in the States, so blacks were still the shit, And a lot of people know, either you go into show business as a black person over here, or you be a sex symbol, or you should become a doctor, Otherwise, you're just a piece of sex. It's still in the people's mind that we black people want to have more sex than white people. I don't think so. And I didn't experience, and I had both sides, so. And the thing is, this is why I think they were really still were Nazis. Because look at the history, and then at the house from the Bayerns, they had a lot of Hitler books, but I don't know what was written in it, because he wasn't supposed to be in that room. I really need a lawyer, because, I can't go to all this history to look all into these files. But if you check the files of the Binance, and the Schwings in Gemünden, you will find something that they were Nazis or something like this. There must be a proof somewhere. And now I'm looking for a good lawyer, and a lawyer who is not scared to stand up here in Germany and say this is still happened, because it happened to me. And it was never that I said to somebody, this happened to me because I'm black and stuff like this. I was always the tough one. Nobody knew that I was living in an orphanage and stuff like this, because you get a stigma. Nobody knew about the family I was living in, that it was so terrible. Nobody knew that I got raped by the how you say it, son-in-law of the foster family. Peter Zenkraft raped me, and some other girls of the family, some other foster kids, they were holding me. And this is still in my brain. And the shit washing of the wall is still in my brain. And I am fighting. I'm fighting till the bitter end. And I hope I find somebody with guts, a lawyer with guts, who gonna help me with this funky business, because it is very dirty and it's gonna be a very dirty business, yeah. And he has to have a strong stomach too, because a lot of things is very gross. Okay, this is my message for today.